Hello everyone, I need today make some funnel with air vent. I will make something like this. 12mm, and I need the offset plane 40 and one more from here about 80. Okay, now here I will make the diameter about 20, I think. Yes. And here about 80 millimeters. We need to make something more. It will modify the sketch. About 4 millimeter, I think I make. Cycle. This selection. I think 6. Yes. 6. Okay. Now second I modify. Here 4 millimeter. Also the cycle here. 6 we must make. Okay. Now I will modify the tiered. Here also the 4 millimeter and also circle. Okay, here the part 6. Okay. Now we have this ready. Now I make the loft. First loft is from here to here, something like this. And second loft I will make now. Okay, like that. I think it's time. It's very good now. Very good. Okay. This is finished, I think. Yes. Now I use the shell tools. Okay. And I need, I think, 1 millimeter. Yes, the thickness. Yes. I will print this from PG, and it's okay, 1 millimeter, it's okay for PG. I need one more thing, plain along paths. Here, about middle, okay. Here I make something. Not now. First I need to make something here like that. I think we have here 90 millimeters. It's okay. And we need, yes, we need make the project these lines. Okay, it's very good. something like that. Yes, the project I think will be okay now. I need to make about 1 millimeter up. This is edge. We need the edge. Okay. F6. Now I need to make sketch here. Yes, now I can make them. I make something like this, 30 millimeter. 30. Yes. Okay, we have something like that. I need to make here the corner about 15. Yes, it's like that. Here 20 millimeters. It's okay. It's very good. Okay. Now I will make the symmetric about 1 millimeter. I make new body. Why I make new body? I want to check something. Yes. Okay. Something like this I must check to is all the project is okay. Now I make combine. This is target, this is tools and join. Okay, now it's finished. Okay, something like this. It's very good. Yes, little finish we need. 1 millimeter, I think I get here. Yes, 1 millimeter is okay. Yes, it's a very good funnel with air vent. It's ready now. Now I can export them. First I must save. Then funnel. Okay, I save them. Event funnel. Now I change the name of the body. Something like that. We can make to export for print for to choice. From here is right button click and make save to mesh, export, STL binary, okay, we choose okay, and we export this for print, or we choose from menu the export, also STL, but now will be name of the file. Before was the name of the body. Now we export name of the file, and if we have project with some parts, it's better to export the bodies. Something like that. We export this and all is ready for print. We save. One more time. Okay. Now I go to print the funnel.